Wow. You're having to use a technique that is similar to bow hunting. You know, your accuracy has to be, you know, on spot. And he's coming to surface again. I think we're winning on this one. Whoa, do you see that? He just blew off in the top of the water. That was cool. All right, Chaba. Wow, look at this toro. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He's got lots of fight.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'll try. It's just difficult with the fly rod. All right, this big guy's ready to come in, I think. We're just gonna bring him in here. All right. Oh, another Jack Crevalle on the fly. Fantastic. What a fight.